Hello, good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you fit and fine. We were reading about markets around us. In previous class, we had already discussed weekly market. Today, we will discuss about shop in the neighborhood. So let us start this theme. We have seen that the weekly markets offer a variety of goods. However, we also buy things from other kinds of markets. There are many shops that sell goods and service in our neighborhoods. Means weekly markets we have seen a variety of goods. We also with the things from other kinds of market just like markets or shops in your neighborhood. We many buy milk from the dairy, groceries, from departmental stores, stationery, eatables, or medicines from other shops. Many of these are permanent shops, while others are roadside stall, such as that of the vegetable hawker, the fruit vendor, the mechanic. ऐसी बहुत सी दुकानें हमारे मोहल्ले में भी होती हैं जो हमें कई तरह की सेवाएं उपलब्ध कराती हैं, जैसे मिल्क फ्रॉम डेयरी, ग्रोसरीज फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स, स्टेशनरी, ईटेबल्स और मेडिसिन फ्रॉम अदर शॉप्स. Many of these are permanent shops, while others are roadside stalls such as that of the vegetable hawkers, the fruit vendor, the mechanic. इसमें से कुछ दुकानें परमानेंट होती हैं और कुछ दुकानें रोड साइड में स्टॉल के रूप में लगी रहती हैं, जैसे सब्जी बेचने वाला, फल बेचने वाला, मैकेनिक आदि. Shops in the neighborhood are useful in many ways. They are near our home and we can go there on any day of the week. This is the advantage of neighborhood shops. Usually the buyer and seller know each other and these shops also provide goods on credit. The second advantage of neighborhood shops, buyer and sellers knows each other and the shopkeepers also provide goods on the sellers provide goods on credit of buyer. This means that you can pay for the purchase later, as we saw in Sujata's case for example. Means किसी भी समय हम लोग इन दुकानों पर जा सकते हैं. दुकानदार और खरीदार एक दूसरे से परिचित भी होते हैं, जिससे कि खरीदार के क्रेडिट पर भी सामान मिल जाता है. यानी कि आज खरीदे गए सामान को हम पोस्ट डेट में भी उसका पेमेंट कर सकते हैं, जैसा कि सुजाता के उदाहरण में हमने देखा. तो अभी हम लोगों ने सुजाता के बारे में नहीं पढ़ा है, तो इन दिस येलो ग्राफ we will discuss about Sujata and Kavita were sent to buy groceries from their neighborhood shop. This was the shop they usually went to. यह एक ऐसी दुकान थी जहां वह प्रायः जाया करती थी. It was crowded today. आज यहाँ बहुत भीड़ थी. The shop owner managed the shop herself with two helpers. When they managed to get into the shop, Sujata dictated a list to her. जब दोनों दुकान के अंदर पहुंची तो सुजाता ने दुकान मालकिन को जरूरत के सामान की सूची बोलकर लिखवा दी. She in turn began asking her helpers to weigh and pack the items. Meanwhile, Kavita looked around. सुजाता ने इनकी सूची के अनुसार सामान तौलने और पैक करवाने के लिए अपने कर्मचारियों को निर्देश देने लगी. इसी बीच कविता चारों तरफ नजर दौड़ा रही थी. On the top left shelf, there were different brands of detergent cakes. बाएं हाथ की सबसे ऊपरी शेल्फ पर अलग अलग ब्रांड की साबुन की टिकिया रखी थी। Another shelf had toothpaste, talcum powder, shampoo, hair oil. दूसरी शेल्फ पर दंत मंजन, टेकम पाउडर, शैम्पू, बाल के तेल इत्यादि रखे थे। द डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स एंड डिफरेंट कलर्स लुक्ड सो अट्रैक्टिव। ऑन द फ्लोर ले अ फ्यू सैक्स। फर्श पर कुछ बोरे पड़े हुए थे। इट टुक्स ऑलमोस्ट 20 minutes टू वेट एंड पैक ऑल द ग्रोसरीज। 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, wait and pack all the groceries by helpers. Then Sujata shows her notebook. फिर सुजाता ने अपनी नोटबुक सामने कर दी। दुकान मालकिन ने नोटबुक में 1550 रुपए की संख्या दर्ज की और वापस कर दी। द वुमेन नोटेड द अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज 3000 in the notebook and gave it back. She also noted the amount in her wig register. Then Sujata took the heavy bags out of the shops. Her family will pay for the purchase in the first week of next month. This is the example of advantage of neighborhood shops where buyers can carry goods on their credits. You might have noticed that there are different kinds of sellers even in the neighborhood market. आपने ध्यान दिया होगा कि हमारे पड़ोस में भी कई तरह के दुकान होते हैं। Some of them have permanent shops and others sells their goods on the roadsides. कुछ तो पक्की दुकानों वाले होते हैं और कुछ सड़क किनारे दुकानें सजाकर सामान बेचते हैं। Here is the activity for all of you. Why did Sujata carry a notebook? Do you think this system is useful? Can there be problems? What are the different kinds of shops that you find in your neighborhood? What do you purchase from them? Why are goods sold in permanent shops costlier than those sold in the weekly markets or by roadside hawkers? So, today we had discussed about neighborhood shops. In next class, we will discuss about shopping complex and malls. Thank you.